Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we will join Gate.io's events for a chance to earn 1 kilogram gold bar, which is equal to $60,000. But before we move on to our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on so not to miss out on any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And make sure to watch the video till the end, because if you miss just one step, you'll not be able to make it. So let's just jump right into our video. So there are two different ways to do this. For first way, we're gonna need the Gate.io accounts. You can create your accounts with the link I gave you in the description box below. After creating your accounts, you're gonna need to pass KYC step. And after KYC, you're all set. So you click on log in and log in with your account to Gate.io. So the game is pretty simple. When you click on this cast now button, your turn begins. And if you can hit 100% before anyone else in the world hits cast now, you win a gold bar, which is equal to $60,000 of worth. Binance had a similar event a couple weeks ago called Binance Button. We participated in that event. You can check that out from the cards. Now it's important to remember you only have one chance, both for your accounts. Remember I said there are two ways to do this. The first one, you need to create a Gate.io account and pass the KYC and play it. The second option is to have a Twitter account, and in that Twitter account you should follow Gate.io's Twitter, and the rest is same. You're gonna click on cast now, and if you can hit 100% before anyone else in the world hits cast now during that time, you will win a 1 kilogram of gold bar, which is equal to $60,000. So let's say you clicked on cast now and someone else clicked while you were at 50%. You'll lose. And same applies to your Twitter. All of the rules are the same for Twitter, but there's one extra event for Twitter users. So as you can see here, for the Twitter users, they have an extra event. If you follow Gate.io's Twitter account, retweet this post and play Gate Gold casting game, and post a screenshot on Twitter with Gate.io turns 9 tag, you will participate in an event which has a $50,000 prize pool. So even if you lose the game and lose your chance to get a gold bar, you can still earn something from that $50,000 prize pool. Remember, you're just gonna share your progress screen after you click on cast now and share it on Twitter with Gate.io turns 9 tag. I will give all the links in the description box below. The link to the Gate.io's Twitter page, the link to this page, and the link of the event details page. So that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on so not to miss out on any of these amazing opportunities and important news. I really want one of our subscribers to win that gold bar, and hopefully you will. And also, don't forget to check out our Instagram from the links in the description box below. We share very motivational stuff and important informations and breaking news about Bitcoin and business world in general. So make sure to follow our Instagram and check out our other social medias from the links in the description box below. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.